Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast discussion for July 17th to 29th. For July 17th to 21st, this is what we're forecasting the pattern look like. We're going to have a ridge here, south of the Aleutians. We have a trough with a ridge from the Bering Sea along the west. We also have a trough here in the east and a ridge in the center of the nation. And we go to the 21st. You see a little change in the circulation pattern, although we have the ridge more pushing, building northward. And we still have a trough on the west coast and the east coast, a ridge in between. We have our subtropical ridge across southern U.S. with above normal heights. There's a lot of changes going on, particularly across the Pacific and western Canada. And this has to do with the Rams chain home and Ella and what path that Nanka takes. These features will drive unusual progressiveness of the westerly flow into North Pacific. And the progressiveness will result in development of cyclogenesis is forecast and migrate eastward. And this configuration will help maintain this pattern, ridge, trough pattern. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures in the east or the northeast, with the temperatures of about 4 to 6 degrees below normal, and in parts of the west we'll have temperatures of also about 4 to 6 degrees below normal, and above normal temperatures in the across the southeast and the plains, with anomalies of about 4 to 8 degrees above normal. We're going to look now at the period for July 20th to the 22nd to the 25th. Here we are at the 22nd. So forecast our subtropical ridge here. Ridge south of the Aleutians, and we have above normal heights in the east. And we go to the end of the period. We're going to look at a ridge. Let me see if I can get this subtropical ridge here across southern U.S. We still have above normal heights here, a ridge over Alaska, and a 588 ridge south of the Aleutians, trough in the west. And one thing I want to note, the climate forecast system. Here's what the climate forecast system is forecasting: below normal heights with a trough in the west, a subtropical ridge, centered, the ridge centered here across the lower Mississippi Valley, and is generally near to above normal heights across the remainder of the nation. And one thing to note is that the spaghetti diagrams are depicting a relatively small spread with these features. During this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here, above normal temperatures for this region, and we'll take a look at the temperature anomalies. I'm generally forecasting 6 to 8 degrees below normal in the Rockies, and above normal temperatures in the across the lower Mississippi Valley, Ohio, Tennessee Valley, Gulf Coast states, the southeast and mid-Atlantic, with anomalies of 6 to 8 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here and above normal precipitation for this region here. Now is the period for July 25th to 29th. Here's the forecast, what we're forecast to look like. We still have our subtropical ridge here across southern U.S., above normal heights over Alaska and south of the Aleutians. And then we go to the end of the period, Here's the 29th, and we have a trough in the middle, a ridge in the middle of the nation. A subtropical ridge still remains in place. And then we look at the ensembles. We have a weak trough in the east. Near above normal heights, this is European ensembles, and this is Canadian, which is near the above normal heights. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here, above normal temperatures for this region, and the temperature anomalies, which are off a little bit. Forecasting in the below normal temperature area, that's in the below normal temperatures. Across this area would be about 4 degrees below normal. And the anomalies across the lower Mississippi Valley, Ohio, and Tennessee Valley, Gulf Coast states, Southeast and Middle Atlantic remains unchanged, with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal for precipitation. I'm calling for above normal precipitation here, northern Middle Atlantic and the Northeast, and below normal precipitation here. So that is the long range weather forecast discussion for July 17th to 29th. Thanks for coming, Jim Lumley's World of Weather, and have a good day.